If your vacation plans include the Caribbean, brace yourself. Hurricane Beryl is crashing the party. Hurricane Beryl has rapidly intensified into a dangerous Category 4 storm, barreling towards the Windward Islands. With winds reaching up to 130 miles per hour, this is the earliest storm of such intensity ever recorded in the Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center warns of life-threatening winds and storm surges. Barbados, St. Lucia, Grenada, Tobago, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines are all under hurricane warnings. Travelers, it's time to rethink your plans. If you're already in the Caribbean, find out your nearest shelter and stock up on essentials. If you're planning to go, consider rescheduling. Remember, safety first. Stay updated with local news and follow evacuation orders if issued. Hurricane Beryl is not just a storm, it's a historic event. Stay safe out there, folks. Travel smart, travel safe. This is just Travel Well, keeping you informed.